Hey guys, gotta stay till the end to see the best ending in Door and Lock Tips history. Come on, smash that like button. Stay till the end. You're gonna love it. Hey guys, guess where we're at? We are at Sam's Wholesale, and I'm talking to
Jack with Car Keys Express.
Oh, look at this, guys. I mean, they got me beat. They got me beat. Look at this. Oh man, what's your name?
My name's Rick, sir.
Rick,
Yes,
nice
sir.
meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Mike with Door and Lock Tips. What's the normal key going for right now?
So anywhere from 50 to 70 bucks.
Really? You're not lying, are you?
For chipped keys, yes, sir.
You're lying?
No, I'm not.
So look at here, guys. These are the standard keys that you're going to find with these guys right here. It's called Car Keys Express. And this is the standard key. Whoa. So that's 70 bucks even?
No, so these Honda combos will run you about 120.
That's a great deal. I love fly-ins. Look at this. Oh, man. And they got them right here. All in these cases.
We do everything up to the brand new 2026 Toyota Smart Keys right here.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, they're going to love that. Everybody calls me and says, hey, do you do car keys? And I go, no, I don't even know anything about it. So Car Keys Express, come here, get your keys done. You're going to love it. Talk to these guys. They're going to help you out, and they'll do it with a smile. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. We'll help you out with a smile.
All right, with a smile. Let's see that smile. There we go. See you later, guys.
See ya. Jack with Car Keys Express. Your standard chipped key we do for $70.
Well, that you can't beat that for nothing. And it's professionally done. Listen to this. Oh, that sound. That's cool, right?
That's very cool.
Right, Jack?
We do everything that makes your car go forward and backwards, but on the side.
Oh, man, you got a good spiel. I'm liking it. So let's get a backwards picture of this thing. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. So we're at Sam's Wholesale. And they've cornered the market on this. Look at, they're even licensed. That is too cool. They got every manner of signage, all the professional gear. How long you been working with them?
About 2 years now.
So you're a pro.
I'd like to think so.
Oh yeah, you are. You're a
sir.
pro. Especially with this high volume. So you probably buy all your keys by the truckload, don't you?
To be fair, the company sends me all my keys.
You don't even have to think about
I don't
keys.
have to think about nothing.
Oh, that is too cool. Well, guys, here on Door and Lock Tips, and guess what? I'm here with Jack, right?
Jack with Car Keys Express.
Car Keys Express, the best in the world. Get it at Sam's Wholesale. Yeah! They're going to help you out, and they'll do it with a smile. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. We'll help you out with a smile.
All right, with a smile. Let's see that smile. Got to add this in, guys. Guess what? Jack highly recommends. Hey guys, it's time to smash that like button. You know, I worked real hard on these videos, and a lot of you guys, you never hit the like button. Go ahead, smash that like button. It will help my channel out. Let's get back to the video. Yeah! Jack highly recommends Sam's Club shoes. Yeah!
$30.
$30. You can't beat it. So we're here at Sam's. We're going to go have fun. You can get your keys done for less than 70 bucks, kind of. Sometimes, let's hope.
Well,
Yeah, we'll say maybe.
2026 Smart Key's not going to run you $70.
Well, we're talking 300, right?
Roughly $150, $200. Some of the newer, you know, it's all computers now.
I understand, man. Hey, see you later, guys.
All right, Mike. take
High
it easy.
five, high five. We've got the beautiful kiosk, and Ozzy is manning it.
Yes,
How
sir.
long you been working for the company, Ozzy?
Been working around 2.5 years.
2.5 years. This is really cool. Get your car keys at Sam's Club. You're not going to regret it. Right, Ozzy?
Yes, sir.
All right. Give me that thumbs up, Ozzy. There we go. Look at that. See you later, man.
Later, sir. You have a good one.
I can see why these guys are doing great business. Look at this. What a great store.
We'll be here for the next couple weeks.
See you later, Jack.
See you, Mike.
Have a great day.
Take it easy.
I wish I would have thought of it. Man, that is cool. There you have it. See you later. Look at the smile. Let's see that smile. There we go. See you later, guys.
See ya. Jack with Car Keys Express.
I am so glad I ran into these guys. I've known Jack for a couple of months. They're great guys. All of them. The entire crew. Hard at work in Sam's parking lot. It's wonderful. You can get your car keys made without a hassle. They've got them in stock. They probably buy them by the train load. What a great company. Car Keys Express. There's their phone number. Just give them a call. I'm sure they'll tell you where their guys are stationed at your local Sam's Club in your hometown. Again, you're going to love them. This is my door and lock tips. Don't forget to smash that like button. Tell your friends, and I'll have more fun videos like this coming your way in the future. You know you love it. Please stay till the end. You're going to love the ending. So here's the ending, guys. Let's see that smile. There we go. See you later, guys.
See ya. That's a good outro.